You won a judgment, and the debtor doesn't have a job. Wage garnishment is off the table, but that doesn't mean collection is impossible. Most successful judgment collection happens through assets other than wages anyway. Here's how to collect from an unemployed debtor. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and we work judgment cases against unemployed debtors regularly. Here's the framework. Bank accounts are the first asset class to investigate. Even unemployed people typically have bank accounts that receive deposits, government benefits, retirement distributions, family support, gig income, returned tax refunds. A bank account levy captures the funds at the moment of service. Vehicles are reachable. A bank-owned vehicle still has equity above the loan balance in many cases, and that equity is subject to judgment collection. Free and clear vehicles are even more reachable. Real estate, if any, is searchable through county recorder records. Even debtors who lost a primary residence may own rental property, vacant land, or share ownership in inherited property. Tax refunds are an underappreciated target. Federal and state tax refunds can be intercepted in some circumstances, and many unemployed debtors file returns hoping for refunds, which arrive in the bank account where a levy can capture them. Government benefits get complicated. Social Security, supplemental security income, veterans' benefits, and certain other federal benefits are exempt from most creditor collection, but only as long as they're identifiable as such in the bank account. Once those benefits are commingled with other funds, they may lose their exemption. Inheritance is reachable. If a debtor stands to inherit from a parent or relative who's likely to die in the foreseeable future, that future inheritance can sometimes be reached through judgment liens that survive years. Life insurance and retirement accounts have varying levels of protection. Most are exempt, but some employer-funded retirement accounts and life insurance policies have collectible portions. Settlements and judgments owed to the debtor are reachable. If the debtor has their own lawsuit pending or a settlement coming, those funds can be intercepted. A judgment in many states stays valid for 10 to 20 years and can be renewed. Patience and ongoing asset monitoring often produce collection when initial efforts fail. A professional asset search reveals what's actually collectible through licensed databases. For professional asset searches and judgment recovery support, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping creditors collect even from unemployed debtors.